Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be going over the new update on bloxburge, and I did buy a couple of items which I'm really happy about. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I did get was the golf cart, and I made it purple with black. I actually really like the golf cart. I like how you could actually do roleplay with it now. And it's super cute, and it looks really like modern and rich. So it's actually like it's like costier. So like it's like a good price if you wanna get like one of a modern car, but you don't wanna really waste much money on it. It's a good car. And so now we are going to the backyard because the other update was on the backyard. So okay. So it's just, you have seen my backyard before, but I did add some new things to it. Uh-oh, my screen just froze. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Sorry guys. Not the best thing, but oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay. So this is the new swing set I got. It's like really cool. I actually really like this swing set. They didn't add monkey bars, which would have been like completely a cool idea to add it. They did add sandcastles though, which are actually cool because they're like the ones in the beach, and they're really cool. And we have a little sandbox full of toys. I know it's supposed to be like a big sandbox. I wish they added like different sizing. We did a rock wall that isn't really safe, but you may. Did add a lot of sandcastles just around, and this trampoline, which is pretty cool. And I'm just gonna hop into build mode to do something. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. So, as you could tell, my roof was made out of like glass tables over here because they didn't have a glass roof, but now they do. So we're gonna go fix that. And they did add a couple of things. They added metal swings, which I don't really like. I like better the wood swings because I think they give it more of a modern look. And then they did add like a little play set, which is a cost blocks bucks, which I don't have enough blocks bucks to buy because it is pretty expensive. I might have to say myself. So yeah. We're just going to the roof area, and we're going to do some of these tables, which were very expensive to make a glass roof, but since it was a greenhouse, I was like, why not just do it? Okay, so now that's done. We're gonna go into build, and we're gonna go into where's roofs. Okay, I really like this pyramid glass one. They did have this flat glass roof and this I can't even say guys. Manscard skylight roof. But I think this pyramid glass roof is like my favorite one. And I think they are gonna be pretty expensive since they are like just glass roof. Let me do this. Okay. Oh my god. I didn't even put the wall if it isn't pink. Oh my gosh, I can't even put. Okay. This into. Oh my gosh, it was $500, but it was totally worth it. It looks super cute now. I did wish they added glass walls though. That would have totally made the whole look vibe of a greenhouse. But now I do have this like empty area. See, I'll show you what they added. I think I showed all they added. They added the metal swings, as I told you. They're more expensive and they look uglier, but you won't. They added this little trampoline, the 600 and the 800 one, and then they added this wooden playset, which I cannot buy. I'm so sorry guys, but I can't do that. I have like this empty area. I have no idea what to do with it. Tell me, comment down below on like what should I do with like these little areas that I have left. Like I have no idea. Should I make like a round path walk, or like something that connects to it that. I have no idea. Like, we could make like a little path that goes through everything, but I don't know. Just comment down below on what you think I should do. Isn't it really like this is a house that I want to keep forever? The mountain thing, it's so cute. I really love everything that I did. I love this house. But if you have any more ideas for the backyard, please comment it down below. And that was basically the whole update on everything. Oh, someone's texting to me. Okay. I'm going to say yes. Okay, I've never done this in a video. Can you please donate? Well, I would donate to him, but at this house, like I really need to work, but I'll donate him some money. I guess I'll donate him 5,000. I'm just gonna look at his house though. So, okay, dig a master. So we're gonna turn off my lights, and we're just gonna. Okay, people are coming to my house. We're going to use. Sorry, I can't see very good yet. Yeah. Not go to his house. We're gonna kind of look. So she didn't build my own. Oh, guys, look at my screen. Is his house? Okay, successful, cool, unicorn, just a Jeep. I guess my house does look pretty big. It like takes me forever to load. We're just gonna look at his house so I can see if he was tricking me or not. I really do hate when people trick me because they do. That has happened to me before. I just don't like it. So we're just gonna look for his house and see if he was lying and if he is a gold digger. So let's go check it out. I'm guessing he has a house that, like, a house or not a house, or a house that's built. I don't know, but that person is on build mode. That person, this person like mode. These two persons, my screen frozen in. I hate when this happens. Is this okay? One of these two houses has to be his house. Go over here. Oh my gosh, it's looking at his house. I guess he's building a town. I wonder what kind of car he has. I'm just opening it up. Does he have a black Jeep? Oh, he tricked me, guys. He's such a liar. He has a Jeep, and I know I'm not the wealthiest. Like, what? You have a Jeep? Why did you need for me to donate? I can't spell donate. Okay, donate. We're just waiting for his response. This is actually annoying. Really annoying, and I don't know this guy at all. And he has a town going on. Before I started my channel, I was actually building town. Sure. Guys, here's a spawn your car. Spawn your car. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video here. He's definitely lying to me, and I hate when people do that, so I don't have a car. Okay, guys. I hate this. Okay, I'm gonna type in liar and a gold digger. It's called. I'm gonna expose him. I wanna see it. So it's fine. Whatever. Guys, so we exposed the gold digger and he's not happy about it. So, whatever, guys. He's definitely a gold digger. Never donate to him. His name is, what's his called? Dig Gangster. Whoa. Okay, guys. Dig is like, digger, dig, gold digger. Okay. So we're just gonna end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Ooh, okay. So we exposed the gold digger, trying to act poor. I never actually seen a boy being a gold digger, but you know, nothing will surprise me anymore. So, please hit that like button and subscribe and comment down below if you liked the video. And what should I do for my backyard? What should I do? And I hope you guys like this video and please hit that like button and I am out. Bye!